It's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, push button start, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.